How to delete all Facebook posts at once. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now, first of all, you have to go and open Facebook app on your mobile. As you open Facebook app on your mobile, then you have to go on the profile option that is located up above on the left corner. Click on that, and then you have these three lines with your edit profile option, and click on that. And over here you have to go on activity log. As you click on activity log, now if you want to delete posts, then you have to see that there is an option of your post. Then you have to go on manage your posts. Now this kind of interface will show up. Now this will be the posts that you have made so far. Now if you want to delete them, you have to select all and then move them all to recycle bin. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.